Namaste and welcome to one and all present here. When analog signals travel through transmission media, the signal at the beginning of the medium is not the same signal at the end of the medium. This is called the imperfection causes signal impairment. There are three types of the impairment. 1. Attenuation. 2. Distortion. 3. Noise. Attenuation means a loss of energy. The strength of a signal decrease with distance over any transmission medium. Here the original signal has been weakened or reduced due to long distance. Distortion means that the signal changes its form or shape. This is generally seen in composite signals made up with different frequencies. Each frequency component has its own propagation speed traveling through a medium. Different phases involved while transferring between sender and receiver. Noise refers to any unwanted signal coming from the outside. The transmitted signal, modified by the various distortions imposed by the transmission system, plus additional unwanted signals that are inserted somewhere between transmission and reception. Jitter is the variation in time delay between transmitted and received signal. Due to network traffic and congestion, the longer data packets take to transmit, the more jitter affects audio quality. It is measured in milliseconds. If receiving jitter is higher than 15 milliseconds to 20 milliseconds, then it increases latency, which leads to packet loss. Singing and echo is the returning of reflection of a talker's voice. It happens due to mismatching of network balance. It is the result of sustained oscillations due to positive feedback in amplifying circuits. Crosstalk is a form of interference due to one cable induce electromagnetic interference, EMI, in an adjacent cable, whether it is coaxial or UTP or copper-based cabling. It occurs when cables run too closely together. Some cables use shielding to help reduce the impact of crosstalk. If shielded cable is not used, cables should not be run directly near each other. Fiber optic cables don't experience of crosstalk.
Bandwidth describes the rate at which data can be transferred to a computer from a network within a specific time with the help of modem. Bandwidth is generally measured in bits per second, (bps), or sometimes bytes per second, for a digital device. Similarly, the bandwidth of analog device is measured in hertz, Hz, or cycle, sec unit. In this way, the bandwidth or data transmission capacity of modem is measured in bps or Hz. Simply, the bandwidth of a modem that can be found in market are low, example 56 kilobits per second, 512 kilobits per second, to high, example 150 Mbps, 5 Gbps.